Hey guys, welcome to day two of the What the Tech show. In this episode, we're going to be talking about a free tool that I absolutely love and have been using in my business forever now. So yesterday, if you watched episode one, if you haven't, you can scroll back down, or if you're on YouTube, you can check out the playlist of the show and you can watch episode one. In episode one, I shared about a tool that you can use to run live webinars, live trainings, live workshops. And today we are talking about a tool that you can use to record your videos. So there are a bunch of reasons why you might want to record a video in your business. So if you're running a course, if you're launching a course, you might want to record videos. If you are working with a client and there's something that you need to show your client, and you all don't have the time to get on a call, you could record a video and share your screen and show them what you're talking about. Also, you might want to record videos for YouTube. So this tool is not the best for YouTube, but when I got started with creating videos for YouTube or even for Facebook recorded videos, I was using this tool. I also used this tool to create my first course that was a paid course, but this is a free tool. So I use this free tool to create all videos inside my paid course. And I also constantly use this tool to work with my clients. So there's some back and forth if I need to explain to them something, since I work a lot with marketing tools. So there are times when I need to go inside the marketing tool, for example, an email automation tool, and show them the screen and tell them what I'm talking about. This works great for that. So I'm going to go ahead I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and let's get into it. So this is a random slide deck that I open up. So the tool that I'm talking about is called Loom. It is actually a Chrome extension. It's not an app that you need to download. It's a basic Chrome extension. All you have to do is search for Loom for Chrome, and then on the Chrome in the Chrome web store, Chrome extension web store, you'll be able to find it. This is how it looks. And you just have to go and click on add to Chrome, and then you have to go to loom.com and create a free account. So this is how your account will look like. So loom.com, I'm already logged in, so I can see my videos here. But it's very easy to set it up. The first step would be to download the Chrome extension, and the second step would be to create a free account, or the other way. First create a free account and then download the Chrome extension. So I'm using the free account, still, which has been great. So you can see I have 190 videos already in my account, and still the free account is working pretty well for me. Of course, if I have to, if I go over my free video limit, I can always go ahead and archive my videos, or I can download my videos to my desktop and store them somewhere else rather than having them here. So let me show you the tool first. So basically, there are multiple ways you can use this tool. You can use this tool to record your screen, to record yourself talking, or you can do it both ways. So this is how the extension is going to look like once you download the Chrome extension. So all you have to do is click here and it'll give you this pop-up. Sometimes what happens is if you block pop-ups, the screen might get blocked, and then you just have to go and unblock the pop-up. So this is how it will look like. So you can see there's a small window where I can see myself. And here I'm just gonna go ahead and exit out of this. So you can record your screen only. You have a camera only where you'll be able to record yourself. It's just a little slow because I'm going live on this video. That's why it's a little slow. But again, you have a cam only, and then you have a screen plus cam, which is basically it'll record your screen, and then you'll have that um, small screen where you can see yourself. Let me give it a second to upload. And then in terms of your screen, you can record your full desktop, which means you can toggle between your different screens, or you can just record your current tab. if you're just planning to stay on this tab for the rest of the video. And then all you have to do is click on start recording, and it will start recording. It'll give you like a timer 3, 2, 1, and then it'll start recording. On the free account, there is a way to get notifications where if someone watches your video, you'll get notified that someone watched your video. But of course, it's a free account, so it won't tell you who actually watched your video. And again, it's basically so if I go into my videos, there is a way where you can copy the link to this video, so you don't really have to download the video and upload it somewhere else for someone to watch it. This mainly helps if I'm sharing a video with my client. I don't really have to, download this video and upload it on YouTube or Vimeo so that they can review it. I can just share this link with them and they'll be able to view it. So if someone views the video through that link, that's when you will get that notification that someone has watched your video. You can always archive your videos, you can download your videos, you can name them, and you can also duplicate your videos. The other great thing is there is also a way to edit your videos, like basic editing, which is basically cropping. That's about it on the free plan. On the paid plan, you also have some advanced techniques. The paid plan is $5 a month if you're paying monthly, and $4 a month if you're paying yearly. And there are some plans for bigger teams, for which you'll have to send them an email. So you can basically share this link with someone for them to watch this video, and then there is an option to trim the video, and which is basically cropping parts of your video. That's about it. And then you also have settings here, which is you can turn off comments, and you can also let your viewer download the video. So again, if your client needs to download this video for whatever reason, you can give them that, you can turn on that feature for them. So this is the basic thing. The one thing that I really like about this free tool is that you have an option to record your screen, but you also have an option to record with camera only, so that there are some videos. For example, if you're creating a course, you might have an introductory video where you're just talking to the camera. So you can use this tool to record that as well. And the other thing I really like about it is it's a basic Chrome extension. You can just, open your screen, click on the Chrome extension, and get started with recording. Doesn't take a lot of effort. And also the free plan gives you a feature to edit your videos or crop your videos. So you can do basic editing, which is also great. And of course, you can download the video and upload it anywhere else you need. And if you don't need to download the video, if you're just sharing it with a client, you could just share a plain link here. You can just share the link. Let me just exit out of settings. You can just share this link with them. And the other thing that I really like about this tool is it's also great to give others testimonials. So you could just record a video talking to the camera and just share the link with them, and then let them download the video. So it becomes easier for them also and for you as well. And it's a great way to share videos. You can also make it password protected. So again, like you can see, there are tons of benefits of using this particular Chrome extension, and the best part is it is free. I don't know for how long it's going to be free. It's been free for a while, and like you can see, I've used it for creating tons of videos. I have 190 videos on my account right now, and I've probably deleted a bunch. So I hope this helps. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments below, and come hang out with me on Instagram. I'm at instagram.com/ShwetaRaoLive. I'd love to hear from you. And also, if you have any marketing tools that you're struggling with and would want me to create a video around, do let me know. I'd love to do that. I will see you tomorrow at the same time with episode 3. Hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.